Hello guys, it is me back with another video on FMG question, and today I am going to explain the axillary artery and its anatomy. Axillary artery is divided into three parts by first rib, clavicle, pectoralis minor muscle, teres minor muscle. Now pause and try to answer the question. Now let us look at the gross anatomy of the axillary artery. So the origin of the axillary artery is the continuation of the subclavian artery as it passes behind the midpoint of the clavicle on the outer edge of the first rib. Okay, so it's like when the subclavian artery crosses the first rib, it is called the axillary artery. Okay, so this is also the point where the artery enters the axilla. Okay, so that is why we call it axillary artery. Now, parts. The axillary artery is divided into three parts by its relation to the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, this is important. Pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, fine guys. Pectoralis minor muscle. Remember this. Now, as you can see in this diagram, this is the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, this whole thing is the pectoralis minor muscle, and the axillary artery is divided into the first part, that is also called as the suprapectoral part. Second part, uh, it is also called the retropectoral part, and the third part, it is also called as the infrapectoral part. Okay, so the pectoralis minor muscle is above the axillary artery. Okay, fine. Now, as you can see in this diagram, the branches of the axillary artery are, from the first part we have the superior thoracic artery. Okay, from the second part we have two branches, thoracoacromial artery and the lateral thoracic artery. Okay, this is the first part. This is the second part. Okay, and the third part we have from the uh, subscapular artery. This is the subscapular artery. Okay, um, then we have the anterior circumflex humeral artery and the posterior humeral circumflex artery. Okay, so we have from the first part superior thoracic artery, from the second part thoracoacromial artery and the lateral thoracic artery, and from the third part we have the um subscapular artery, anterior humeral circumflex artery, and the posterior circumflex humeral artery. Okay, guys. So I know that you might have the answer to the question that I have provided earlier. So what will be our answer? The answer will be the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, guys. So I will end this video by giving a note. Please read the question carefully, one to two times. Okay, as I was confused between the first rib and the pectoralis minor muscle, because see, whenever you try to read the question now, first you read the last part. Okay, so see, I read this like axillary artery divided into three parts by three parts. So how is it divided? Okay, it is, this question is not saying that from where does the axillary artery originate. Okay, so if the question was like that, so the answer would be the first rib. Okay, guys. Axillary artery originate from the first rib. Okay, but this question is asking about the division of the axillary artery into three parts. So the answer is pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, guys, please be careful. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and bye.